Let's say you are given some fractions and you're asked to convert them into decimal form. Okay, so again we're thinking of our place value columns. Now the first one is easy enough to do because it's 91 out of 100. Well, 100 as a denominator is something I like, I've got it here, so I can write that as 91 out of 100, so that would be 0.91. Okay, let's look at this second one, 16/25. Now, I like the denominators being 10 or 100, and I can actually quite easily make 25 into 100 by multiplying it. How many 25s go into 100? 4. So get 64 out of 100, so it's 64 out of 100, 0.64. Okay, let's have a look at this next one. 6 out of 7. Well, remembering that I'm only allowed to find equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing, 110, they're both not in the 7 times table. And it's actually going to be quite difficult to make it using the equivalent fractions in this method. So I can use the other method, which is division, which we looked at briefly when we looked at ordering fractions. So this means 6 divided by 7. So I want 6 divided by 7. Make sure you put the numbers the right way round. Whatever comes first gets to the bus first, gets to go to the bus stop first, gets to go underneath the bus stop. Whoever comes second doesn't make it. Okay, or whoever comes first must go underneath because that's what you're dividing by 7. 6 divided by 7. Okay, well 7 goes in 6 0 times. I've still got the whole 6 left, so remainder 6. 7 goes into 60 9 times, no, 8 times, remainder 4 for 56. Okay, 7 goes in 45 times, remainder 5. 7 goes into 50, 7 times, remainder 1, 7 times, remainder 1, and it's going to go on for quite a while, okay? There doesn't seem to be a pattern at this stage, but if I was going to go like that, at least to 3 decimal places is 0.857, okay, to 3 decimal places. And usually you'll be asked just to give it to a reasonable amount of accuracy, a degree of accuracy, reasonable amount of decimal places. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Now, whenever you're asked to change a fraction into a decimal, it's good to look at the denominator and think, can I easily make this into one of my place value columns? Can I easily make this into 10 or 100 or 1,000? Well, if you have a look here, I can actually make 200 into 100 by halving it. And since the top is even, this is a reasonable move to make, and 75 over 100, which is 0.75. Okay, you have a go. You'll need to use both methods at different times. Try and go for the most efficient method whenever you can.